Images floating in velvet air, worlds appearing everywhere, glass horizons slow